If your Zoeller sump pump relies on a float switch, that small component is what automatically protects your basement from flooding. Zoeller designs several mechanical float systems, including tethered floats, vertical rod floats, and their highly reliable vertical snap action switch, which is tested for millions of cycles to ensure long term durability. The float works by rising with the water level inside the sump basin. When water reaches a preset height, the float activates the pump. As water drains and the level drops, the float lowers and shuts the pump off. Proper positioning is critical for safe operation. The float should allow enough space for movement and typically needs to activate before water reaches a critical level. In most installations, the pump should sit low enough in the basin so the system engages well before water approaches the floor level, helping prevent overflow. Adjustment depends on your specific pump style. Tethered floats are the most adjustable because the cord length determines when the pump activates. A shorter tether triggers the pump sooner at a lower water level, while a longer tether allows water to rise higher before activation, reducing short cycling but increasing water accumulation. Vertical rod floats adjust differently. You move the float up or down along the rod to change activation height. Lower positioning means earlier activation, while higher positioning delays it. Submersible pumps with sealed vertical switches are usually factory set and should not be modified. Pedestal models often allow easier float adjustment for performance tuning. Regular inspection of the float, check valve, and basin for debris helps extend pump life well beyond the typical 7 to 10 years.